I have Honor Band 4 and let me show you how to restore factory settings of this device by using the Huawei Health app. So let's open the Health on your device connected to this band. Let's tap on the icon of the band right here, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here Restore Factory Settings. So this will remove Honor Band 4 from the app. The settings and fitness and health data in your device will be cleared. If you are aware of this, let's choose Restore. And that's it. As you can see, there is no device connected to this app. And as you can see, your band is restarting. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.